I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable biometric login on Stripe, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Start by accessing your Stripe account through your preferred web browser. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to the dashboard and find the Settings option in the bottom left corner. Click on it, then select Security from the menu. Step 3. Enable biometric authentication. In the Security Settings, look for the option labeled Biometric Authentication. Toggle the switch to enable it. This allows you to use your fingerprint or facial recognition for future logins. Step 4. Verify your device. After enabling the feature, you may need to verify your device. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your fingerprint or facial recognition. Make sure your device supports this feature. Step 5. Test the biometric login. Log out of your Stripe account and try logging back in using your biometric method. If everything is set up correctly, you should be able to access your account quickly and securely. If you follow these steps, you should have biometric login set up in no time. Enjoy the convenience and security it brings.